Hello, class! Today we will be learning about the 4 seasons that are in a year. We have summer, fall, winter, and spring. There are so many fun activities to do in each season, but before we can focus on the fun activities, we need to understand what happens in each season. After the lesson, we will be doing a fun arts and crafts activity. You'll be creating your very own lesson today. The materials that you'll need are scissors, glue, cotton balls, pipe cleaners, foam paper, construction paper, markers, pom-poms, and aluminum foil. All these items can be found on the art table in the back of the room. Everyone will be sharing the art supplies on the table, but you may use your own supplies if you have them. The first season we will discuss is summer. Summer starts in June and it ends in August. In summer, the temperature gets really hot. The sun is shining for a longer period of time, so there's a lot of time in our day to do many things. We can swim, go to the beach, go to a splash park, take a vacation with family, and best of all, there's no school, so you can spend a lot of time with your friends in the summer. The next season I will be discussing is fall. Fall begins in September and lasts until November. The sun starts to set a little bit earlier, which means it will start becoming darker outside earlier than it did in the summertime. The temperature doesn't get too hot, but it's not too cold either. It's a perfect mild temperature. Our surroundings start to look different because leaves begin to change color and they fall on the ground. The colors range from yellow, red, orange, and brown. Some fun activities to do in the fall are jumping in a leaf pile, having a bonfire, and going to football games. Winter is the third season. Winter is 3 months long and it goes from December through February. It is the coldest time of the year. It can become so cold that snow falls out of the sky, so you'll have to wear a warm coat, a hat, gloves, and boots just to keep you warm. Since it's so cold, a favorite thing to do in the winter is to make a cup of hot chocolate and sit under a warm blanket. If you want to play outside, you can build a snowman or even go snowboarding. Since it is the coldest time of the year, that means the sun isn't out for very long in the day. In the winter, it gets darker much sooner than in the other seasons. We are at our final season. Spring also has 3 months, and they are March through May. The temperature starts to get warmer again. A lot of flowers bloom in the spring, and you can see buds on trees start to bloom, so some trees are pink and red. There's also more rain in this season because the plants and flowers need water to keep growing. Some activities that you can do in the spring are playing baseball and softball, gardening, or jumping in rain puddles outside. Now it's time to create your very own season. You can use anything we've discussed today to make your season. For example, if you like rain, basketball, hot chocolate, and the color of fall leaves, you can use the art supplies to create a season on the construction paper. Just make sure you include your name and title of your season at the top. I'll be walking around as you create your season to see what you come up with.